Power Tubular Bin. Power Tubular Bin. It can accommodate for different size drill pipe, drill collar, and tubing, saving space and reducing manpower. Power Catwalk. Power Catwalk. It can realize the conveying and lowering of drill pipe, tubing, and drill collar. Reduce the number of operators, be lightweight and have high safety, and high work efficiency with Power Tubular Bin working together. Power Elevator. Power Elevator. It bears the load of drill pipe, tubing, and drill collar. It can remotely control the opening, closing, and rotation of the power elevator, safe and reliable. Pipe Guide Arm. Pipe Guide Arm. Receive and buffer the impact force from the drill pipe, tubing, or drill collar, provided by the Power Catwalk to ensure the safety of the working environment. Drill Floor Manipulator. Drill Floor Manipulator. Cooperate with the power elevator and the MonkeyBoard Manipulator to achieve the discharge and retrieval of standing roots on the MonkeyBoard. MonkeyBoard Manipulator. MonkeyBoard Manipulator. Cooperate with the table manipulator and power elevator to achieve the discharge and retrieval of standing roots on the MonkeyBoard. Improve work efficiency and protect personal safety.